In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ways to multiply your income in 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 1. Learn money-making skills. If you've been depending only on that one job at the office, it's time to change things up. Your job in the office is fantastic, but can you apply those same abilities outside of the workplace? No is a common response. As a result, you should spend some time on YouTube learning new talents. You may even have a family member or acquaintance who's made it financially in their own right. Inquire as to how they accomplished this. Take their advice and learn how to earn extra money. The next step is to put your newfound knowledge into action. 2. Have a side hustle. Side hustles are a simple and effective method to supplement your income. The best part is that you may pick and select from a wide variety of options. It's admirable if you like painting and also have a part-time job. Spend the remainder of your time doing what you love and making money doing it. Not everyone who has a full-time job should rule themselves out. During the week, you're probably really busy. What about a relaxing break? The days you get to unwind may be rare. 3. Pay off your debts. Whatever your income, you can't completely appreciate it if you're burdened by debt. Your money will grow exponentially if you eliminate all of your debt. That way, you'll be able to put some money away and utilize it whatever you choose. On the road to debt freedom, it doesn't matter where you begin from. Clearing one debt at a time may be an option depending on your financial situation and the total amount of debt you owe. Giving yourself a deadline is a terrific approach to boost your motivation. In the long run, having a stable stream of income may help eliminate your debts. Unless, of course, you want to fall back into that hole. 4. Invest. Investing is something that the majority of people would do all they can to avoid doing. This is a natural reaction given the lack of certainty about the growth of one's financial resources. If you choose to put money into a company or an individual, it is quite probable that you will experience this outcome. It's possible that something will go wrong. In spite of the fact that this is true, what do you think? Keeping all of your money in one place is not a prudent move, either. In a market that has a low interest rate, there is little chance of making a profit by doing so. 5. Start an emergency fund. It makes no sense to build an emergency fund when you have the money in your bank account. How can we assist you? That's the easy answer. It may be difficult to save money. If you're worried about not being able to satisfy your obligations, you're not alone. There are occasions when it may be tempting to utilize it as soon as it's available in large quantities. To prevent this, it's best to position it in a location that is difficult for you to access. An account may be set up and the money can be saved there. Alternatively, you might hand it on to a trustworthy friend. Also, be specific about the kinds of crises for which you want to utilize it. This helps to keep you on track. 6. Give an interest-bearing checking account a try. An interest-bearing checking account is a great method to get your hands on some quick cash. It's a specialized checking account for handling small sums of money quickly. It has many of the same features as a savings or checking account, making it both easy and quick to use. The account functions like a conventional checking account. Use your debit card to make purchases and write checks if necessary, among these responsibilities. All the meantime, your account balance is accruing interest. Depending on the amount of money in your account, the bank will pay you a little interest. It's a great choice when compared to savings accounts that restrict the frequency of your payments. 7. Give your all to your career. Playing it safe with only one job is okay if you're satisfied with it. Utilize it to its fullest potential by devoting time and effort to it. As a result of this investment, your money will grow in value and you'll be satisfied. Putting in additional time and effort at work has its advantages. They include increases and promotions. If necessary, take advantage of opportunities for on-the-job training to improve your abilities. If you want to see results, you need to like what you do. You shouldn't hold on to a job out of fear of becoming jobless. 8. Open a savings account. Saving a lot of money is essential if you want to be successful at money multiplication. It's unlikely that you'll be able to add to your savings if you don't have one. It's common for individuals to use the same bank account for both savings and expenditures. Overspending is a risk of using a single account for several uses. Even if you exercise caution when it comes to your financial decisions, slip-ups sometimes happen. The greatest way to save money is to open a separate savings account. Using a bank account that allows you to leave your money at work is an option if you have a job. Your treasure will be safe from prying eyes thanks to this. 9. Spend within your means. In theory, it should be obvious, but it's not. As a result, many individuals shut their eyes and ignore the dangers of overspending. They succumb to their feelings and their sight. What's the end result? Debt. A budget may seem like a good idea, but it only works if you stick to it. That's when things become tricky. When you get a raise, you spend it all on a luxurious hotel or shopping spree. 10. Take part in clinical research studies. Do you like experimenting with new things? It's possible to participate in clinical research trials that allow you to do this. Good news! You are charging for your services. Additionally, the research is risk-free and does not need any prior knowledge or training. Whatever your current state of health, there's a pill for you. The least you can make is a few bucks, depending on the sort of study you undertake. The more research you participate in, the more money you may make. The more money you make, the better off you'll be. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.